Today I will show you how to update your ACI image. So first you have to unplug your switch from the power cable and again plug in your power cable with the switch. And after that, when boot is come out, press Ctrl C to until the loader is coming. And after that you have to do one thing, write command dir to see your USB iOS. So here I am is showing my iOS in the USB is the bin file, and also boot flash has a Nexus 7.0.3. So I have to do to install Nexus. So the command is boot Nexus this bin file, and after that press enter, and after your Nexus is reloading, and after that you will get this type of message and write it skip auto provisioning. And after that you have to do one thing, you have to copy your ACI from USB to Nexus switch. So the command is copy USB 1 and iOS name with .bin and boot flash and press enter. After complete your iOS into boot flash of Nexus OS, you have to do the next step. You have to go to the config mode and write no boot NXOS, and after that you have to copy running config startup config, and after done you have to write dir. This is not mandatory. I write here dir to see the OS is successfully copy in my Nexus OS boot flash. So here I can see ACI N9K .bin file. This is my iOS that successfully uploaded to my Nexus switch. After that I have to write the command boot ACI boot flash and .bin file of the ACI full name, and after that press enter. Image verification successfully done, and after you have to write the command reload, and when reload you have to write yes, and after rebooting your Nexus switch, your ACI image successfully updated with new image. So guys, this is the process to update ACI switch. If you have any question upgradation related, you can write in comment section. Thank you.